see two cases of mothers putting their children in danger by leaving them alone for hours.
Is my son okay?
That's fine. Is there any reason why you left him alone, a 2-year-old?
Yes, he was sleeping, and I stepped outside
For how long?
for about 20 minutes.
That's it, 20 minutes. You're going to swear upon that. So when I pull the video and I pull the key fob, you're going to say 20 minutes.
No, it was probably more than 20 minutes.
How much do you think
I
more?
really don't.
You think hours?
No, it wasn't hours.
I think it's hours. I'm going to pull it.
That's fine. I'm not trying to hide anything, but
Okay.
I'm looking at the time right now.
Do you think it's acceptable to leave a 2-year-old alone in a room?
No.
Right? Yes or no?
No, sir. No,
It's not.
sir.
Just
no.
take a seat for me and just relax, okay? You don't have any weapons or anything like that, do you? No, you cannot. Not right now. You chill out here. Take a seat.
Why are you going
I don't want to put you in handcuffs, so just relax,
No,
okay?
yes, sir.
Nothing in there, no guns, nothing like that?
Yes, sir.
No weapons?
No, sir.
You have your ID on you?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Where were you?
I was outside smoking a cigarette.
Okay, all right. Hey,
Is he okay? Like, I'm
He's
just,
fine.
I
He's
know I
fine.
don't deserve to hear.
He's fine. Just relax. Just relax. He's fine. Okay. You're going to take your belongings and you're going to leave them inside the hotel room. You're going to take off your jewelry, anything like that. Leave the hat. I understand that it's upsetting, but I mean, you can take it with you, but they're just going to keep it in your personal property anyways. Are we clear?
So I'm going to jail.
Yes, you are. You're under arrest. But I'm going to be kind with you, and you're going to take your things, and you're going to put them in there like we said.
Listen, it's not
Yep.
the end of the world. They're going to get DCF,
I'll take it.
and then you're going to get with DCF. They're going to try to get a plan going for, you know what I mean, for assistance. But you can't leave a child for 3 hours. You know that, okay? You know that. You know better than that. But the whole goal is here to educate you.
I'm just,
Yeah, I know it. It
Yep.
sucks. Okay?
may I stand?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Put your
It's
hand
like I
up.
told you, it's fine. But you are going to take your things, take your earrings out, all that stuff.
I can't hug him.
And no, I don't want to see
No.
you right now.
We're not.
Just
We
make
don't,
it easy for, please.
we don't want him to see you in this condition, okay?
Take off your hat.
Take off your stuff, and we're going to put it in the room, and then I'm going to put you in handcuffs and walk you downstairs. I
I'm
know.
losing hair.
I get it. I know. It sucks, but
Oh my God, my stuff.
please take the hair covering off and just put it in your bag.
Oh no, please.
Because they're going to take it from you anyways. It's not going to
You have
matter.
to take, come on.
Listen, we don't have all day for this. Come on, Crawford, let's go.
Here's the time if you want it.
Earrings
Thank you.
out. Thank you. And the earrings out. Thank you. Any other piercings that we need to know about? Anything that we cannot see?
Stamps on your
Is there anything we cannot see that you need to take out in private?
No, no.
No.
Um,
Okay. Turn around and face the wall. Put your hands together like you're praying. Like you're praying like this. Look, like this. Perfect. Thank you. I want Cass to come out here and make sure she doesn't have anything
Don't
on
worry
her.
about
Last
it.
chance
Just-
before.
It's fine.
All right.
Don't worry
Okay.
about it.
Come on.
I'm gonna get this one in the car.
Yep.
Okay? Thank you.
Yep. Okay.
Oh man.
You want AC? Crawford, you want AC?
Sure.
All right. Okay, so what happened today?
This morning,
Around what time?
around like 9, one of the housekeepers alerted me that we had a guest that they were unable to get into the room.
So when they entered the room at around that time, they obviously confirmed that the child was in there unattended.
I entered the room.
You entered the room.
Yeah.
Do you know if the mother, is she leaving the child unattended more often, like, than just the mornings?
I personally have no idea because the housekeeper alerted me today.
Okay.
And when she told me that there's a possibility that this person may have a child in there unattended, I went ahead and checked for them. Upon checking, I did see the kid that was there by himself.
Okay. Is there anybody else, like possibly in management of the front desk, who would know a little bit more?
Yes, Camille stated that she left around like 7:30.
Who's Camille?
The front desk. And also they saw on camera as well.
Okay, Ms. Crawford. Please raise your hand. Do you swear that everything you're about to tell me is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
So what happened today?
I love to go to, my son was sleeping, he was up late last night.
He was sleeping? Okay.
And knowing that when he is up late,
So he went to bed late last night and you knew that he was going to sleep in late today.
Yes.
So we get that now.
I didn't plan to leave, but I left the room around there. I don't know.
So around 7:20, 7:30?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you left around 7:20, 7:30 hours. What were you doing? Why did you leave?
I went to get a coffee at Wawa. I was back within 15 minutes. When I got back, I was outside smoking a couple cigarettes and on my phone.
Have you been leaving your child alone? Is this kind of like a routine thing? Do you do it at other times of the day?
No, not often. I really don't. I shouldn't have left him for that long. I should not have. I'm wrong. I'm so wrong.
Do you leave him in the middle of the night or at night or anything like that?
I have before, but not that long.
Do you remember when the last time was that you did that?
Last night I went down. You can check the whatever it is over at the hotel. I went downstairs to smoke one cigarette and I came right back up. Time.
Okay, so the time really necessarily isn't important, but you're advising that you do leave him alone from time to time at night. Obviously, you do smoke cigarettes.
Right.
So you're going downstairs and smoking cigarettes, and you're coming right back, you're saying?
Right, and it's only, well, again, I'm not making excuses.
Yes.
I'm just saying, only when he's sleeping, and then I
Okay.
come, yeah.
Is there anything else that you'd like to add?
Love him so much.
Yes.
I'm
Okay.
sorry, I'm so mad at myself.
Okay.
I am wrong, and I'm so sorry.
Will that be all, Ms. Crawford?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Is this like a whole, I just stay.
So right now, this is booking at headquarters,
Okay.
okay? And you are being charged with child neglect without great bodily harm.
She was charged with child neglect.
Hi, little one. Yeah, go make contact with Portia. She's the front desk person. You okay?
You might want to hang with the officer right there. We need to have a conversation.
Yeah, I just literally walked inside.
Where's someone stole that car?
Sir, I literally just walked
Okay, well,
inside.
we have a major problem right now. You can't be doing that. Should I DM you?
I do, but I literally just 2 seconds.
It's
You
not
can
2
ask the
seconds.
lady.
We got this call about 2 minutes ago. And you're still here. You're not just walking in.
We were all the way on Clematis, and we drove from Clematis to here, and I opened the door, for us to drive from Clematis to here.
I just walked in there.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, so you're in and out?
Yes.
So what
I had
happened?
to keep coming in and out. I left the
Okay.
car on and everything. I didn't.
Yeah, but you can't leave a baby in here.
I mean, you don't understand that. Y'all understand what I was going through right now. Man.
What's going on?
Like I don't have nobody. I'm staying right here at the in-town suites. I don't have no help. I don't have nothing. Like
You couldn't put her in the carriage to bring her in?
they won't let her come back there.
They won't let her in?
Oh my God. Well, my she's perfectly fine. Like what could be wrong with her right now?
I know, but you can't leave a baby in a car by themselves, especially with the door unlocked.
You talk about somebody call. Like what is it to call about? I need help. Can they get me some help?
Yeah, it's the child neglect portion. That's why they called.
Huh?
The child neglect portion is why they called.
But how was that child neglect if she's perfectly fine, man?
But leaving a baby in a car is considered child neglect.
Girl, I'm up here getting an MRI, and I left the baby in the car for a second. Somebody called the police on me. She was there. And I just don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Like, he took my ID, and then it's another woman. I don't know how to say her name, Medina.
Mm-hmm.
She's right here. I'm going to send you the location. I'm going to share the location with you. All right.
I thought you said you don't have people. Well,
No,
now
I don't have anyone. That's my sister. So she's leaving her job. So she
Yeah.
may get fired. But
Then why are you telling her to come here?
because I have to see what you guys going to do. I can't just...
Yeah, so why are you going to make her get fired if you don't know what's going on?
That's what I'm saying. I don't have a choice.
Okay, we're doing no, you never said that you're getting arrested right now. You're being
No, I
detained while we
understand that.
conduct our
No, I understand
investigation.
it, but I'm saying I just have to keep her informed because...
Yeah, but now she's leaving her job that she could possibly get fired because you don't know what's going on.
That's true, but I don't have any choice, man. I really don't.
So you do have people,
I
right?
don't have anybody. But
So
what
you
I'm
did have
that's
somebody.
true, I didn't. But what I'm saying is it was a very quick, it wasn't like a long process. Like it wasn't...
When did you make this appointment?
I made it at 10:45, but I got here late. That's the thing.
So you called.
No, I've been made this Friday. Friday is when they
so
told me I
Friday?
couldn't have the baby with me.
Okay. So you knew on Friday that you couldn't have the baby. and you still came. Or you didn't even make arrangements
No,
to do a
I've been
daycare or
looking.
anything.
If I don't have any money, how can I pay for daycare? If I don't have any money,
Have you talked to
any
DCF?
resources, any help,
Have you talked to
I
DCF?
haven't talked to anyone because I don't
We'll
have.
get you in contact with DCF, okay? So to see if they
Can
can
you
give you
please do that?
resources.
Please.
Yes.
When I say please, please, man.
What's going on?
Okay, so basically I did 2 years in jail and I've been homeless ever since then.
Okay.
I did 6 months. I violated probation. I went back, and when I went back, I was pregnant with her.
Okay.
When I got out, I had nothing or nobody. My sister was in jail as well.
Okay.
So she
What were you
got
guys
out.
arrested for?
We went to St. Lucie and Martin County, and we had theft charges.
Okay.
So after she got released, I got released. Like, we both been trying to, work and stuff. It's just I don't have any help with my kids. I have 2 other children as well.
Okay. Where
They're
are they
at
at?
school right now.
Okay.
They get out at 4.
Are you working or no because you have the baby?
But I try to dance if I can. Like, if I can get some extra babysitter or help, I try to dance at the club. But other than that, I don't work no.
What's your daughter, right? What's her name?
Pretty much.
Do you live with your sister? Have you ever lived with your sister in Boynton? Is that ever a possibility for Leilani to stay with her at any time? Or be with her at all? She ever watched you like that?
She watched her, but she has her own life. Like, she has her own things going on because we both just been released. So
Released from what?
we've been in custody. We've been in jail for like 2 years.
For what?
Theft in St. Lucie and Martin County.
For what?
Theft.
Oh.
You left the child in the car, unsupervised, car running.
And they said for about at least 20-25 minutes.
No, actually, it was 45.
Oh, 45.
Because she was in there for 45.
About 25 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes.
Well, you told me when I first got here it was a quick minute.
No, when I went back in there to grab something, it was very fast. Like, as soon as I went back in there and came back out, it was very fast.
So from the time she called 911, from the time you left and she called 911, 20 minutes already passed. So you was in there for over 40 minutes, okay? At this point, I'm sorry, but you are getting arrested.
So y'all can't give me a court date or nothing?
Can't.
Can I call somebody?
We're going to call DCF. DCF is probably going to take the child.
My sister can't get her?
No, because your sister is not. You just told us your sister have her own life, and
DCF is about to come get the baby, and I gotta go outside.
like you said, she got her own life. They're not going to put the baby in somebody else's hands, and they don't really help you like that. And you don't stay with them.
Don't place babies. If DCF gets here and they reach out to your sister, that's another thing. So we're gonna contact them right now and we'll let you know.
You gave them your ID and stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
Where the baby at?
The baby in the passenger seat.
They said they gonna hold her over there. Why they acting like she hurt or something? She's perfectly fine.
No, the only reason we put it in there because our AC's blown. Our AC blown cold.
I'm not going nowhere. I told Andre to pick up the other kids. I'm gonna wait out here till DCF comes. Hopefully,
County is not going to let me go. It's going to try to tell you. Hopefully, you have to bomb me out.
Why would you go to St. Lucie County?
I'm on probation for them.
No, that doesn't mean they're coming to pick you up.
They do know that. They do know.
No, I'm telling you, they're not coming to pick you up from Palm Beach County. That's
yes, they do it
No.
all the time.
No, you can't do that.
Not immediately, but once the violation is put in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying.
Do this shit even have a bond? No bond?
You have to see the judge. Take a seat. I'm gonna turn the AC on and stuff for you.
She was charged with child neglect.